Hi traders! So, in today's video I am on the beach and as you see I have cocktails and luxurious drinks and I have a full resort for myself. So, in today's video I will talk about why Forex trading or just trading is the best digital nomad work and remote work that you can find or you can learn to do, or so why it is the best. Just look at me. It is the best because you can be like me. You can just sit around the beach all day, or just swim with sharks, or drink some coconut and just enjoy life. Of course you have to work really hard, but beside that no one can tell you where you should travel, and you can travel all around the world. And so the first thing is for me about Forex trading is that you are completely free. So you don't have a boss who tells you what you should do and how you should do it, and of course he or she is an asshole, so why you should follow it's leading. So you should be your own master, and if you break the rules of others, you are the king. But if you break the rules of your own, if you break your own rules, you are just a loser. So the thing you should do is to make your own rules, like in trading, like your strategy. You establish your strategy and you can follow your own rules, because if you break them, you can't blame others, you only can blame yourself. So this is a hard thing in this society, because everything is in a hierarchy, and you always blame others, and it is an exchange, because you can blame others but you pay for that blame. So the second thing is that you can work on your strategies all day, and you are enjoying it actually, and you enjoy life beside that. And you are sitting on a beach with your beautiful woman, and you just hunt and create new strategies in your mind, or on the computer, and it is a business, and you should consider it as a real job, because you have to work really hard on it, especially at the beginning, when you learn all the indicators, the price actions, and all the patterns, all the tools that will be the base of your whole. So let's continue this video. Now, as I said, the best thing about digital nomadness and Forex trading especially is the freedom that you can get when you do it. So you have to be just a wild animal and just get it, and you just don't be fucking lazy and watch all my videos. You have to watch all my videos, because that is very good for you. Now the second thing is that in Forex trading, and why I like Forex trading so much, is that only the goals matter, and the details, who cares about the details, and because when you work in teams and you have a boss, only the details matter, and the small tasks, and you don't even see the goal. You are just working for someone with with people who you hate them mostly, and you're just working on some task and you don't even like it, and you don't see the goal, the vision, because it is beyond you. So in trading you have to find your own style, and you have to find the things that you like in trading and do them, and don't follow my advice or any others advice. Just watch all my videos and make a conclusion and do it on your own, because you have to learn to fucking fly. So the last thing is that when you are trading Forex and you do it long term, like I do it, long term trading, you have time that you can spend with creativity, and you can try out new businesses, and you can, you know, write a book, make some sweet videos for YouTube, and you can do some stuff with your life and enjoy your beautiful girlfriend and love and all those stuff. So this was today's video. I hope you enjoyed the view, and yeah, ciao.